of question in the anth term of AP. Same kind, but the question is a little bit different because it involves the sum of AP. If you have the concept of anth term, so you can easily solve the sum of terms as well. But nobody attempted that question. It's a very bad thing.
Sir,
Same.
which question?
Like I think it was. Just a second. Let me check it. Just give me a moment. It's the if Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of an AP, prove that S20 is equal to 3 times S20 minus S10. Everybody?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, everybody, Karishma, Adil, Hiba, Abdullah, and Faiz, please be honest with me. Is there anything which is not clear to you, like at the end of the chapter or anything? Please be honest. I want honest answer about from you. Because, like, if you're performing, like, okay, if you are, like, basically getting the marks, I've basically checked the marks papers very leniently. I didn't cut the marks. I've also given, if you have written the question is, if your answer is wrong, still I've given half marks and 1 marks because you have written the given things. But still, if you're getting not even crossing the 80% threshold in the very simple paper based on NCERT, so that's I think there must be a you can say a hole in the process, and which is not a good thing. If you have anything, please convey it to me, because like I'm here to basically to give you basically to take you the maximum protection which you have right now. But if you're still not able to identify which part is basically missing, so at least let me know. No? I will try to cover that part as well if it's there something which is missing. If anybody, Faz, Abdullah, Faz, why didn't you attempt give the uh, subjective test?
Yes, sir. I did not got the assessment.
No, not assessments, Faz. I'm asking the subjective test on the Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, like last to last Friday. I think that was, I think
Yes, sir.
3rd of November.
Yes, sir. I did not join at that time class. I was at India.
Okay. Karishma, Adil, Hiba. Okay. Karishma, Adil, Hiba.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, everybody, please let me know at least what is there anything which is not clear, which is not basically not getting identified by your side. Well, as you can see, that paper was straightforward. All of you can see that paper was not very much difficult or was not very of high level. Like paper, I'm directly saying you can go through the NCERT books. Even I can give you the reference. You can check those questions. Only one question from the was there of the AP from the RD Sharma, which is a 4 marks only. If you aside that question, and even if you aside the basically the last question which was mistyped, 32 marks questions, 32 marks were there basically. Even Hiba solved the last question which was mistyped, because I think Hiba like already solved that question during the practice, so she got the idea what basically need to do. And I've given the 4 marks to the Karishma because she has written the given things and all, so that's why I've given the grace marks. But Adil, I didn't give it to you because you didn't attempted it. If there is a wrong mark, if there is a wrong question, and which even if you have attempted that question, so basically you will be awarded the full marks because you have attempted that at least. But if you have not, so even if you are in the CBSE boards, even if you've not attempted that question, you won't be rewarded these marks. Clear? So don't skip any question. At least try to write something. And the questions were directly from NCERT, not beyond the NCERT. Only one question apart from NCERT. Everything from NCERT. That's why I basically ask you. That's why I've given this question, this whole paper from NCERT, because I want to check that whether you are solving the NCERT or not. And I got it. You are not solving the NCERT properly. The questions were from example, the questions from NCERT exercise, but none of you got able to achieve the 30 marks threshold. That's not a very good thing. I'm not humiliating you. Please take this in not a very different manner. I'm just telling you why it's a little bit effort is required. Don't think that if you have done the NCERT, just it's complete. You have to solve the PYQs. You have to solve again and again unless you are not confident. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Karishma, Adil, Hiba, Faz, Abdullah, I'm telling it to everybody.
Yes,
Like
sir.
Abdullah didn't give an Faz as well. So please don't miss the test from the next time onwards, because it's for you. If you miss and you will just blindly sit in the pre-boards, you will be just nothing but you will be saying that I need some practice. That's why I'm not able to score. If you give these tests, so you will be able to solve the questions properly in the pre-boards, and you will be able to identify which mistakes were there in the test, and you will not be able to make those mistakes in the pre-boards and boards as well.
Yes, sir.
From the next time onwards, I want at least 80 to 85% mark threshold from everybody. If you basically, I ask everything, like if you have in doubt, no, everybody says yes sir, don't know, no doubt. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's great thing. I ask everything is clear, you can say everything is clear. So what I supposed to expect? I expect at least 85% from all of you. Yes or no, everybody? If you say that thing to me,
Yes, sir.
at least, na? So please, if you are saying this thing, so at least overcome that threshold, at least 85% marks. Clear? And if you're not, let me know which part is not clear. Explain that thing apart from the class itself. Okay. I will take extra time, but at least I should have the idea. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this chapter is done. Circles chapter, everybody. Okay. Now, which chapter you would like to start? I want the mutual decision. Let me know. Decide and let me know. Yes, Abdullah, you are saying something? The most voted chapter will be taken, because we have two choices. Either we start the area related to circle, or either we start the surface area and volume.
Surface area and volume.
Okay, Hiba said surface area and volume. Karishma, Adil, what you say, dear?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Which one, dear? At least let me know the name of the chapter which you are wanting
Yes,
to
sir,
start.
surface area and volume.
Karishma
Sir,
and
but like circles just ended now, so we can continue with areas related with circles, right?
like everything is like both the things are same. Like area related to circle is not similar to the circles chapter. It has different concepts. So how many of you want the area surface area and volume? Raise your hands. Adil, Hiba. What about Abdullah and Karishma? Okay. Faz also. So Karishma,
Yes, sir.
so you would like to start area related to circle or surface area?
Sir, area.
Area. What about Abdullah?
Sir, if it's like surface area is if it's a majority, then I'll go in surface area, or else area related to circles.
Okay. Just a second. Let me check. I think. Just give me a moment. Okay, everybody, let's do the area related to circle because it has only one exercise, only one topic is there. So it's easy, like it's better so that we can complete this chapter. Okay. Is everybody fine with it? Yes or no? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So I've recently just,
Yes,
I think one topic is omitted right here. So that's why it's a little, because in the like before a meeting it was there 3 exercise or 2 exercise something in the related to circle, but now it's only 1. So it's, let's take this. Okay, anybody any problem?
No, sir.
Hiba, Adil and Faz?
Yes, sir, no
No,
problem.
sir.
Okay. In the next class, we'll be starting the area, surface area and volume, because it's a straightforward chapter.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do
Yes, sir.
this. Okay. So let me. So basically, this chapter is based on the basically you have seen that. Just a second. Let me take. How many of you like? How many of you like the cake? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Why everybody is so?
Everyone.
Why is everybody is
ये
in
कैसा
so
सवाल
like?
है?
Like just a second. ये कैसे
Sir, obviously.
okay. Now, so, like, just give me a moment. Okay. So Abdullah said, how, like, what kind of question is it? Like, I know that everybody likes the cake very much. Okay, that's a good. Okay, so let's take one thing is here. So Abdullah will get the smallest part of the cake, because Abdullah asked a very bad question from me, that he said that what kind of question is it? So I don't like this question. So I will be giving the smallest part of the cake to Abdullah.
Sir, क्या कर रहा?
Okay. I was joking. Yeah. Okay, everybody. So in this chapter, what we do is that we have to basically find out, if basically you can see that if I take a certain portion from the circle, so it has some angle, yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is an
Yes,
angle,
sir.
na? It will be some theta angle. You can see this as a pie chart as well. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
very good. So now basically, if I take a small part from the circle with an angle theta, I say this as minor sector. Minor sector. Okay. And the remaining portion is called as major
Major, sir.
sector. Clear, everybody? Abdullah, this is
Yes,
your portion.
sir.
You will be awarded with this portion, minor sector portion of cake. Clear? because you speaks and interrupt a lot to me. Okay, don't worry, I'm just kidding.
Sir, I'll take major one.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, you will take major one. Okay, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I'm taking one more circle right there, and I've supposed that if I cut the circle, if I basically intersect the circle into 2 parts with a chord, so basically there is basically a partition right there. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Segment.
So yes. So
India,
if
Pakistan.
not India, Pakistan. It's a tragic topic. Just take the class seriously, dear. Okay, so basically,
Size भी तो वही है ना?
okay. So circle is divided. A circle is divided into 2 parts with a chord. Clear? So if a circle is divided with a chord, so basically, so that part is called a segment. Sorry, minor segment. This part is the smallest the partition will be called as minor segment. Clear? And the remaining major portion will be called as major segment. Clear, everybody?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically, we have to basically, you can say, deal with these topics. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now with everybody, can anybody tell me what is the area of the circle?
Pi r square.
Very good.
Fires.
Pi r square. If the r is the radius, so pi r square. How much is the area like the angle covered by the whole area?
360.
360. Very good, because area is the total area, na? So it is covering 360 area.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes or no, everybody?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Very good. Now, what I want is that if, just a second, degree of measure. Degree of measure of the angle of circle, basically, not angle. Is equals to 360 degree, yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
No. Now, can I say that 1 degree, just a second, let's apply the unitary method to calculate, basically find out the area, to find out the theta. So everybody tell me, if I suppose that 360 is covering the pi r square, yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
if
sir.
I want the value of 1 degree, what I will do is that divide the whole area by 360.
360. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And now if I want the value of theta degree value, if I want the area of the theta angle, basically the theta part, so it would be, I have to, because I have the value of one angle. So if I want theta, what I will do? I will divide or multiply?
Divide.
Okay, Karishma said divide. What about else?
Sir, what was the question again?
I'm asking that if I have the value of 1 degree angle, okay, I need the area of the theta angle. Basically, I need the area of the theta angle. So what I will do, I will multiply theta with this part, or divide this part by theta.
We'll divide.
Okay, he fast said divide. What about else? Everybody tell me, if I have the value of 1 banana, which is 4 rupees, I need to calculate the value of 4 bananas. What I will do, I will multiply this 4 with 4 rupees, or divide this by 4. Yes,
So
everybody.
multiply.
Multiply, na?
Yes,
So why
sir.
everybody is saying divide?
Sir, I was gonna say multiply.
Okay, Heba said multiply. What about rest, Karishma and Faz? Why did he say multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Okay, so that it means that so theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So that's the area of the sector, basically, of theta. So it means that if I need the value of specific area of sector, which is at angle theta of theta, it would be theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's take one more thing is there. Write this formula, it's very important. Okay, let's calculate the arc also, the length of the arc. Suppose that this is the value here. Okay, suppose that this is A and this is B, and suppose there is one point which is P. So see that thing, this is an arc now. Yes or no, arc? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So basically, everybody, let me know is that if I have this circle, so this arc is subtending is nothing but some angle theta at the center. So this is the angle subtended by the arc, because you can see na, these are the points, the endpoints. So basically, if I join, so basically this will meet at center and it will make some angle theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So basically, I need to calculate this value of arc APB. So everybody tell me, this whole circle is what is the circumference of the whole circle?
Sir, 360.
360.
I'm asking circumference, everybody.
Circumference.
Keep my words.
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very good. Circumference of circle. It is equals to 2 pi r. And what is the angle subtended by the circumference? It is what?
360.
360 na? Degree of measure. Is equals to 360. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what I see is 360 is the angle covered by the whole circumference. If I want 1 unit, so it would be 2 pi r by 360. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now I want to
Yes, sir.
calculate the specific. I want I want to calculate a specific arc, the length of the specific arc. What I will do if it's subtending the angle theta, do I need to multiply with this or do I need to divide with this?
So divide.
Okay, Adil said divide. What about rest? Karishma, Haiba, Paz, Abdullah?
Divide, sir.
Divide. See, just a minute hasn't passed. I've given the same concept. If I have the unit value, if I need to calculate the value of some specific, you can say theta or anything. If I have 1 banana, I need to calculate the value of 4 bananas. What I will do? I will multiply or divide?
Multiply. So multiply.
Multiply. So why is everybody again saying divide and divide?
I thought you were asking about one.
I'm asking about the theta, dear. I've written this thing theta right there before asking. Okay, so it would be theta by 360 into
2
pi r. So length of arc of theta angle is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
So these are the 2 important formulas that you need to calculate. And one more thing is that area of quadrant. I'm writing the word here, area of quadrant. Can anybody tell me what is quadrant? I've given the concepts in the I think polynomial.
Angle.
Yes, quadrant are nothing but if I take x-axis and y-axis, we have 4 quadrants now.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Let me suppose that this is this example. So this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So basically, if we have this kind of thing, so we have 4 quadrants. Now, quadrant means 90 degree. So whenever in this chapter quadrant word is used, so it would be area of quadrant is equals to 90 by 360 into pi r square. So it would be pi r square by 4. Clear, everybody? You can directly use this formula if the word used, quadrant word is used. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
quadrant is nothing but the degree is 90, na angle is 90. Suppose that I have a circular cake. Everybody, just look at here. If I have a circular cake, and if I basically, let me take one more cake, because I think everybody, it's a festive season, so we have to talk about sweets a little bit. Okay.
Sir, अभी भी इंडिया में मिठाई बट रही.
Yes, I have received 2 packets, 2 boxes of
Kaju
Kalakan.
Katli.
Not
Acha,
Kaju
acha.
Katli, I have received 2 boxes of Kalakan.
Okay. सही
Yeah.
सही sir. Enjoy.
Yeah. So now everybody see that thing. Now I have cut that cake into 4 parts.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is one part. These are 4 equal parts, na? So if I need to calculate the area of this part, what I will do? I will divide the whole area by 4, because these are 4 equal parts. And this is 90 degree, yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's all the basics of this chapter. This is only 2 formulas are there. This is you can say the specific formula, because quadrant word is used, so I can use that 90 degree. So that's why I've written this thing. It's also in NCERT. Don't worry that it's not in NCERT. Or you can directly get the same value. If you like, if you put the value 90 degree by 360 into pi r square, you will get pi r square by 4. Na? You can directly say that area of quadrant is pi square by 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's take one question here. It's a straightforward question. So calculate the things first. One more thing is that you have to have a little bit very precise in the calculation. Clear, everybody? Because this chapter requires a little bit, this chapter and mensuration and statistics requires a very good calculation.
तो statistics में कितने formula है?
Statistics में 3 ही तो formula है.
क्या बात कर रहे थे? मतलब छोटे छोटे बहुत है ना, वही कह रहा हूँ मैं.
छोटे छोटे तो यार ये कॉमन सेंस वाले फॉर्मूला है, तो इसको काउंट करने की क्या जरूरत है? Why do we need to count that formula?
है तो ना, कम से कम पढ़ना तो है ना.
डियर, ये सब तो आप 8th क्लास में ही पढ़ लेते हो, जो अब ये फॉर्मूला आपको छोटे छोटे अलग से दिख रहे हैं.
अच्छा सर, but I wanted to like ask something. Like I heard that कि अगर like standard marks लेते हैं, so like what do you say? If we take like a standard marks, so like वो question paper में जो board का question paper है, उसमें ये जो simple chapters है statistics probability, उसके questions कम आते हैं, खाली 4 या 5 मार्क के आते हैं total में.
डियर, डिपेंड करता है जो क्वेश्चन सेटर है ना, क्वेश्चन पेपर जो सेट करता है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. कभी कभार वो वेटेज ज्यादा रख देता है, कभी कभार वो कम. तो ये सभी पेपर्स में होता है. कभी कभार आप देखोगे किसी चैप्टर का वेटेज बहुत ज्यादा है, जो एक्सपेक्टेड से भी ज्यादा होता है. ओके, एंड कभी कभार बहुत कम होता है. तो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन दी क्वेश्चन पेपर सेटर. वो किस माइंडसेट से होके बैठा है, वो गुस्से में बैठा है, वो अच्छे मूड में बैठा है, वो किस मूड में बैठा है, वो आपकी किस्मत के हुआ. दैट डिपेंड ऑन योर डेस्टिनी.
अच्छे मूड में होना चाहिए.
Yeah. Okay, everybody, let's look at the point here. We have to find the area of the sector of circle with radius 4. Write the value first. Theta is 30 degree. This theta, and the radius of this circle is 4 centimeter. Clear, everybody? And the value of pi is given as 3.14. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the area. Now, not first we have to find the minor sector, and then we have to find the major sector. Now everybody look at the area of sector, which is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 30 degree divided by 360 into.
So what is u?
It's not u, it's pi. Okay, into 4. Clear, everybody? This 0 will cancel out this 0 and 3. It's the just a second. 3 1s are 3. 36 and 12 3. 1 by 12 into 3.14 into 4 into 4. So this will cancel out 3 times. So you can see that 3.14 into 4 divided by 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, yes or no? Yeah. Very good. So it's about the 34615.43 12 by 3. So it would be around 4.1 and 2826. This is the value, centimeter square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
You can also confirm this from the calculator. Like this would be like approx this. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we need to calculate the value of the major sector. If I need to calculate the major sector, what I will do is that I have the total. I will calculate the area of circle and subtract the minor sector. Is it clear, everybody? Or you can also use this area of sector by, you can 30 is there, so it will be 330. So 330 by 360 into pi r square. Same thing. So it's much easier to calculate the area of circle minus area of sector. So area of major sector is equals to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Is equals to pi r square minus 4.186 is equals to 3.14. Okay. Into, or you can do is that you can do one thing is that don't put the value of pi here. It will be 3 by 4. 4 by 3 will be what? So it would be 4 pi by 3. Just a second. Let me do one thing here. You can just a second. Just a second. It would be much easier.
What was the first topic for this chapter?
4 pi by 3. Yes, yes, Abdullah.
Sir, what did you wrote for, as a first topic for this chapter? Like something.
Area of sector and segment of a circle.
Okay, thank you.
So rather than writing full area here, I'm writing 4 pi by 3. Yes or no? So I can take pi common right here. Yes or no, everybody? Pi will be taken out common. So r square will be left minus 4 by 3. Yes or no? Is equals to pi is taken common here and r square is 4 into 4 minus 4 by 3. So it is, take 4 common as well. So 4 pi inside will be left is 4 minus 1 by 3. So it is 4 pi. So it would be 11 by 3. Yes or no? 3 4 are 12. 12 minus 1, 11 by 3. Let me write this thing. No issues. Like I think you didn't. It's nothing but simple. LCM 3 because 1 is there. LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. So and 1 will be 3 will be divided by 1. So it will be what? 3 by 1 is 3 and 3 will be multiplied by 4. So it will be 12 minus 3 divided by 3, 1 and 1 into 1 is 12, 1. So it would be 4 pi into 11 by 3. So 44 into 3.14 divided by 3. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So divide this 14.6 something. So it is 14.6 into 3.14. So 14.6 and 3.14. So 0, 4 and 3. 0, 4, 2. Just a second. Do one thing is that remove the decimals right there. So it's 146 and 314. So 4, 2, 8, 1, 5 into 6, 4, 1, 8, 3, 4. So it's 4, 4, 9, 10, 18, 4, 5, 4. 3 decimals, no? 3 decimals. So it is 45.844 centimeters square. So it would be approximately this. Clear, everybody? I'm right. I can I'm not going to give the exam, but I'm solving it in front of you so that you can get accustomed to it. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? Okay. You can also so it's in the NCERT, it's given as 46.1 centimeter approx. So it's all about 46 around, because I have not divided this thing to up to 2 decimals. If I have divided this thing up to 2 decimals, so it would be around 40. It would be somewhat 46.1. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's take one more question here. So everybody, again, India is going to face New Zealand in the semi-finals. Pray for this. Pray this time. That
Netherlands को हरा दिया, न्यूजीलैंड को भी हरा देगी.
अच्छा. Last time भी यही सोच के उतरे थे.
बेइज्जती
Okay.
बेइज्जती नहीं करी यार.
We all like since last 4 World Cups, we always got knockout in the semi-finals. We are unbeaten in the league stages, but we are out in the
Actually.
semi-finals. I've like you can follow this like in 2015, 19, 16, and 22, and 21 as well. In 21, we didn't even qualify for the semi-finals. Okay, so let's look at this question. We have to find the value of the AYP. This means that we have to find the segment area. Here, if the radius is 21, pi is given as 27, 22 by 7, and the angle is 120. Now, everybody, tell me how you will solve it.
Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle.
Yes. So, how you will get the value of the height area of the triangle?
Join. Oh.
Okay. Do one thing. Sorry. So, let's calculate the area of sector first. So, put the values first, which is 120. R is given as 21 centimeter. Pi is given as 22 by 7. Clear? Is there anything which is left? No. So area of sector or name of the sector is OAYB is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Yes or no, everybody? So theta is 120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So 7 3s are 21 and 3. So 3 will cancel out this. So it is left is 22 into 21. Yes or no? Centimeter square. I'm not basically.
Yes, sir.
You can say multiplying it right there, because if first I will calculate the value of this, so that if there is anything common, either 21 or 22, I can take it out as common. It will be a little bit less complicated calculation. Okay, everybody. Now,
Yes, sir.
I am doing what? I am basically drawing a perpendicular right here.
We can use trigonometric ratios to.
Yes. So either Hiba, if we need to use the trigonometry, we need the right angle triangle, na? So that's why this is 90 degree
construction.
Okay. So 90 degrees there. So this will be 60. This will be 60.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now everybody tell me, if I have the value of here 60, you can see that 21 is there. I need this x, and this is also x. Clear? I need this x. What I will do? Which ratio should I apply? In triangle, suppose that it is D. In triangle AOD, what I will do is that I will apply the
tan.
Not tan, Hiba. I need this na. I need base as well. I need height as well. Na?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. So 60 is there. So yes, we need to apply this tan so that to get the value of this. So tan, not tan. First, we will apply the sine, because we have this hypotenuse and we have the perpendicular. So perpendicular and hypotenuse. So sine 60 is equals to AD by AO. AD by AO. So sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 is equals to AD. AD is X and AO is 21. Yes or no? So X will be 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter. And if I multiply this X with 2, so 2x is nothing but it's complete the base AB. So 2 into 21 root 3 by 2 is equals to 21 root 3 centimeter. So whole base is 21 root 3 centimeter. Clear, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Let me raise this thing.
Yes,
so
sir.
I have the whole base. Just a second. Let me raise this thing so that Okay. Now I need, this is 21 root 3 by 2, 21 root 3 by 2. I need to calculate this height. What I will do, I can use tan theta. Okay. So in triangle, same triangle AOD, not writing AOD, just write tan theta, tan 60. Tan 60 is AD by DO. Which is, value of AD is 21 root 3 by 2 into DO is X, or suppose Y. Clear? So what is the value of tan 60? It's root 3 is equals to 21 root 3 by 2y. So root 3 will cancel out root 3. So y will be equals to 21 by 2 centimeter. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, that's great. Now we have the value with height as well. This is y height and this is base. Base is basically this 2x. Clear? So area of triangle, what is the name of this triangle? AOB. Half base into height. So 1 by 2 into 2x into y. So 2x will cancel out this. X is nothing but 21 root 3 into 21 by 2 centimeter square. And this is centimeter square. So area of segment is equals to area of segment, not sector, minus area of triangle AOB. This is 22 into 21 minus 21 into 21 into root 3 by 2. Take this 21 common here. 21 will be taken common here. 22 minus 21 root 3 by 2. Everybody, yes or no? Is that clear to you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it will be 21. It would be 44 minus 21 root 3 by 2. I have taken LCM. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's why 2 will be multiplied with this. And 21 and 44 will be equals to 21 and 44. 4, 2, 1. 4, 4.
23.
4. 2, 4, there. 2, 4, 88, na? So 2 and 1. 9, 2, 4, na? Did I make any mistake right there? No, I don't think so. Okay. Just a second. I think मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज कट कर दी थी. ओके ओके, सॉरी सॉरी. यहाँ पे मैंने मिस्टेक कर दी, 2x लिख दिया. यहाँ पे सॉरी, ये x2 काटा है ना, इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हुई है. 2 it's twice of x, so it's twice of x की जो वैल्यू आएगी वो यहाँ पे p आएगी. So 1 by 2 as well here. Okay. Clear? So here 1 by 4, so 4 will be there. 2 into, so 4 आएगा यहाँ पे, इस वजह से यही था. So आपका 4 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. 1 more 2 will be there and 4. Clear? So 21 by 4. If you do this thing calculation, so it will be equals to 21 by 4. 88 minus 21 root 3 by root 3 centimeters square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's how this question is. A little bit calculation is required in this chapter here. Clear?
There is it 21 or 4?
Which one?
like 88 minus
21 √3
और like उसके ऊपर वाला 44 into 2 minus
minus 21 √3 यार.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
थोड़ी सी राइटिंग खराब चल रही है, सॉरी फॉर दैट. Okay, so that's the answer of this, because √3 is there na, so √3 value is not given, so I cannot put, like if I put the √3 value according to myself, which is 1.73, so sometimes a little bit you can say complex calculation is there, so that's why no need to put the value from yourself. If the value is given, then you can solve the question.
So no need to do after this?
No, it's complete answer. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you one question, solve this. It's a straightforward question, not. Do this question, everybody. Use pi as 22/7.
Okay, sir.
If the value of pi is not given, so you can use any of the value. If the value is specifically given either 22/7 or 3.14, you have to use that value.
Done, sir.
Done. What about rest? Hiba said done. Karishma, Adil.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir. Done.
Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any answer? Abdullah? All of you are done. Straightforward question, everybody. There is not much complexity there. It's a straightforward question.
Yes, sir.
You can do this with your blind eyes.
132/7.
Yeah.
Blind eye.
Okay. Yes. So R is given as 6 centimeter. Theta is given as 60 degree. We need to calculate the area of sector. So area of sector is, you can see that it's a straightforward chapter.
Yes, sir.
So it is 60 by 360 into 22/7 into 6 into 6. So it is 1/6.
So you can cut the zeros and zeros. Okay.
And you can directly cut this. So it's nothing but 3 to 1
132/7.
centimeters square. Everybody clear? Okay, we have 4 minutes here, so we can also do one question here. It's an easy one again, but a little bit twist. Do this question. Circumference is given. We have to calculate the quadrant area. Yes, everybody. Any answer?
To find radius, we can 2 pi r is equal to 22, and then just like that.
Okay. Yes, that's also one approach. Okay, look at the screen, everybody. Like we have very less time, so solution is there. So basically, question is done. Okay, Adil said that. The question is saying that circumference is given as bice or 22 centimeter. So circumference, can I write 2 pi r is equals to 22? Yes or no, everybody? And the value of pi can be taken as 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. So this 22 will cancel out this. So we get the value of r as 7 by 2 centimeter. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Now calculate the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is.
So it should be 2 by 7, right? Like R ki value.
Abdullah, I have to shift this 7 here. R is already there. Either I shift the value of R here. If I shift the value here, so it will go in the division, in the denominator. So what I have done is that I have taken this 7 in the here. It's in new denominator. It will go in the numerator on the right hand side. And 2 is in multiplication. It will go in the denominator in the right hand side. Clear?
Yes, okay.
Pi r square by 4. So 22 by 7 into r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 4, this one 1 by 4. So 7 will cancel out this, 11 will cancel out this, clear?
11.
So it is 77 by 8 centimeter square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's how you will solve this question. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Oh, sir.
Like easy in a chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So in
Sir,
the like yes, Adil?
So we don't need to do any decimals, like we should
No,
convert
no,
it
no,
to
no.
decimals.
Adil, if it's given value of like pi as 3.14, then you have to take the value 3.14. Otherwise, you can take 22 by 7. And even the answer is in fraction,
Okay,
no worries. No one is going to cut your marks for that.
okay, sir.
Yeah. If it's saying that specifically you have to use the value of pi as 3.14, then you have to use the value. Otherwise, leave that thing in the fractional part. No one is going to cut your marks for that. Clear,
Okay,
everybody?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the coming class, what we'll do is that we will take some, like I will be sharing some homework question as well, because we have taken the example part, which is a little bit difficult. You can say longer parts. So same kinds of question I will be sharing as the homework. And after that, we will be solving 1 to 2 through in the next class. Half class will be taken with this and half class for the surface area and volume. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Only so हमारे कौन से चैप्टर रह जाएंगे? Surface area, volume, stats, probability, and रियल नंबर. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं हुई ना अभी?
Yes, sir.
नहीं हुई अभी. हाँ, क्वाड्रेटिक. So quadratic, real number, stats, probab, 4 chapters and one quadratic. So these are very
linear
small
equation into
chapters.
variable.
Linear equation to variable, dear, हो चुका है.
The real number is not that hard.
Real number.
Coordinate
Yes.
geometry.
Coordinate is left. Yes, I got it. Coordinate is left. So 4 chapters, majorly 4 chapters are left after this because so this is a very straightforward. No, see 3 and 3, 8 chapters are done. 14 chapters are there in that total.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Real number and coordinate are very easy. So that will be covered like section formula and distance formula. So this will be covered in the one class
Midpoint
itself.
formula also.
Yes,
Midpoint
only one.
formula.
It will be taken one class. And the real numbers is also very small chapter. You can say very easy chapter. कुछ नहीं करना है, irrational को बार बार प्रूव करना, अपने आप को गलत साबित करना, सिंपल सी बात है, ये सोच के चलो आप. ओके. और हाँ, बस चार्ट मेन चैप्टर रह गए, स्टैट्स, प्रोबेबिलिटी, surface area and volume. और एक चैप्टर और रह गया, आई थिंक कौन सा रह गया, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. हाँ 4 चैप्टर रह गए क्वाड्रेटिक. हाँ क्वाड्रेटिक, ये 4 चैप्टर रह गए. दीज आर द मेन 4 चैप्टर्स. ना हार्ड नहीं, इजी है, पॉलिनोमियल्स जैसे है.
Sir, I got
ये तो
my pre-board.
यस शिबा, Why you are saying something there?
Yeah, I got my pre-board date sheet
When is your exam?
from 30 November.
30th November. So I think majority of part will be covered there.
Yeah,
So
maths
I
is like
from 4th December.
Yes, Shiba, you are saying?
maths is like at on 7th of December.
What about science?
Science is last. So
Science is so basically in this like as you know that we are for the maths we are on the right track. We don't need any speed up or with like we don't have to slow down. We are on the right track of maths. Like I'm sure that till 15th of December we will done with the maths. We have 1 month, and if we there 1 month, so almost.
Sir, is there,
yes.
sir, is there an assessment today?
No, not this class. After this class you will be having an assessment. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So but science is a little bit lagging, so I will do is that like do you have any extra class, you can say like extra timing 1 hour for 2 to 3 classes in between
yes,
the
sir.
month, in
Yes,
between the
sir.
week? So what I will do is that whenever I will get the free time, I will try to arrange the class so that all of you are available. Okay, so we have to little bit speed up our physics syllabus because we have only 1 class a week for that. So I still think that for electricity and magnetics, I need specific time, like extra classes. But for the light chapter, which is human eye and the source of energy, these are theoretical. So these will be covered in 2 to 3 classes. So that is not required a little bit. But magnetics and electricity are a lengthy chapter. Yeah. So I will be taking extra classes for you. Yeah. So inshallah, we will try to sum up all the syllabus till 15 to 20 December.
Okay, sir.
And for that, afterwards, we will be having you can say doubt sessions and all. So you are all of you are there. You should be there so that we can have interaction. Like you come, like you practice at your home and come to me and take your doubts like just 1 hour. So that would be a practice session in the class itself for you as well. Clear, everybody?
Sir,
Yes.
pre-board's paper will be like from school or like the board itself? It's from board,
From
right?
boards. Pre-boards board से तरफ से होते हैं dear. Proper boards से आते हैं. Pre-boards conduct ही CBSE कराता है. जो मिड टर्म होता है, प्री बोर्ड्स होते हैं, ये पीरियोडिक टेस्ट वगैरह होते हैं तो आपके स्कूल खुद कंडक्ट करते हैं. बट प्री बोर्ड्स, मिड टर्म एंड सीबीएसई ये आपके पूरे प्रॉपर बोर्ड से आते हैं पेपर.
Sir, they usually keep models before pre-boards, but this time they just skipped it.
सर जो प्री बोर्ड रहते हैं वो हम लोग को तो हमारे स्कूल ही बनाते हैं प्री बोर्ड.
ना नो सीबीएसई से आते हैं.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ
उन लोग बना के देते हैं, हम लोग के स्कूल वाले बना के देते हैं प्री बोर्ड. लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसे वो लाइक गर्ल्स हो गया.
जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ा है 12th और 11th 12th जितना भी मैंने कवर अप किया, मैं भी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से पास आउट हूँ, तो हमारे जितने भी पेपर्स होते थे इवन मिड टर्म सब कुछ प्री बोर्ड हमारे सीबीएसई डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजुकेशन से आता है.
Sir, but the correction is done in our school, right?
Yes, करेक्शन वगैरह वो आपसे होते हैं. हाँ वो स्कूल्स करते हैं. करेक्शन इज डन बाय द स्कूल. बट अदरवाइज हमारे जितने भी लाइक प्राइवेट स्कूल का आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट डेफिनेटली गवर्नमेंट स्कूल का आई एम डैम श्योर दैट सीबीएसई के बोर्ड्स और लाइक प्री बोर्ड्स मिड टर्म वो बोर्ड से ही आते हैं
100%.
या सो इट्स वजह से मैं इतना जरा श्योर हूँ. सो दैट्स द थिंग. क्लियर एवरीबडी?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's all for this class. And dear everybody, please focus a little bit, work hard. Right now you can see your marks, that's not up to the mark dear. I know that you have the potential. I'm not saying that you are not capable of, you are capable of, but you have to put extra efforts. You have to solve the NCERT. Now you can see that I've given the NCERT paper and still you are not able to score 30 plus marks. So that's not a good thing. That's not a good sign for you, everybody. And your boards around the corner, your pre-boards even. I'm not talking about the boards, your pre-boards. If your pre-boards are good, then your mind will be relaxed. If not, you will be a little bit stressed. So I don't want that you get like you get anxious and depressed. after the pre-boards, because that's the most critical time after the pre-boards. So that's why I'm continuously saying work hard and hard again and again. If there's any doubt, come to me, take the doubt in the class. You can send this, basically you can send the what I was saying, send the doubts on the official number. They will send it to me. Either you will ask from for my number as well. They will provide it. If you have any doubt, I will explain that, write it down, explain, solve it to you. But at least you should have doubts. Unless and until you have no doubts, I won't be able to help you. I will be like, I will be thinking that, okay, so you are done, you are clear with the concepts. That's the difference. Clear, everybody? So I'm again and again. Yeah.
Yeah, so should I do like all chapters? Like I'm almost done. I just have like surface area, statistics, and yeah, like the last portion.
Hiba, start revising.
Yes, so should I do all of like all the chapters and then do RD Sharma, or like one chapter then RD then one chapter like that?
Hiba, first do one chapter, solve examples plus NCRT exercise. Okay, then PYQs. If you have time, a little bit, 1 hour, 2 hours, so you can go for the RD Sharma. But if you don't have time, skip to the next chapter, which is the again examples, exercise, PYQs.
Yes, sir. I just have I asked since like I have at most 4 or 5 chapters to like revise. Like
Okay, so in 4-5 chapters, so you can go with the RD one by one. Like first chapter NCRT PYQ, then RD. Again next chapter NCRT PYQ RD.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So these were the basics topic. Clear everybody? Easy है chapter, ये बहुत easy है. ज्यादा कुछ इतना खास नहीं आता है इसमें से, but थोड़ा सा calculation based है, so you have to keep that thing in your mind.
सर
Yes.
सर आप चैप्टर 10 में से क्वेश्चन 12 करा सकते हो?
Chapter 10 कौन सा है?
सर्कल है सर.
Circle है. Just give me a moment. मैं जरा आपका होमवर्क शेयर कर दूं आप लोगों का. Just give me a moment. मैं भी करा रहा हूँ. करिश्मा, just wait a second here.
ओके सर.
Yeah.
So can I take screenshots?
Abdullah, just a second here. Just a second. Let me share the homework questions. It's